Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the site Ebbaybrinmacake.tk. Actually, this is the website that does not make any sense, of course, but this is a real website and it may suddenly attack your browser. It may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This website displays misleading pop-ups trying to encourage you to download some file, but this file is malicious, and if people install anything that is promoted through these pop-ups, their computers may be infected with malware or with some other potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Ebbaybrinmacake.tk, don't interact with them. Simply leave this page. I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and begin investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.